Here's a close-up look at that light fixture. So right now I still have the protective coating on the lenses because I haven't installed this light yet. We've got 2 lenses. We have 8 mounting holes. The lenses have little tabs on them that slip down into those notches, just like that, and then you slide the lens in towards the center of the light. Then it locks into place. Super low profile. And then we have a dimmer switch here in the middle. It's got positive detents. And then to turn the light on or off, you push the button, and that's also how you change the color temperature. So you can see here we have 2 different colors of LEDs. We have cool white and then warm white. So with the 3 different color temperature settings, first setting turns on the cool white LEDs, so it's like 6000 K color temperature, and then push the button again and then it turns on both sets of LEDs, I believe, and it's sort of a bright white but kind of a little bit more warm temperature, and then you press the button the 3rd time and then it turns off the cool white and leaves just the warm white, so it's a super warm, more eye-pleasing color temperature. So super nice LED light fixture. These lights come in a 4-pack, and I'll have an Amazon affiliate link down in the description below. But I primarily bought these lights for my cargo trailer. They would work equally well in an RV, especially in a situation where you wanted to have the ability to dim a light fixture. A good example of that is in the RV that I own. It's an Arctic Fox truck camper. A big complaint about a lot of owners of Arctic Fox and Wolf Creek truck campers is how the light above the dining table, above the dinette, is extremely bright, which is fine in some situations, but a lot of people would like the ability to dim that light. So this is a really good light fixture just for that purpose. Here I've got 3 of those lights installed in my cargo trailer. So if we push the button, it changes to sort of a warmish white. Press it again, and then it's super warm white. And then back to cool white. Each time we press the button, it cycles through a different color. If we press it and hold it, then it turns off. And we can dim it down where it's just barely lit up. Ultimately, these will be a really nice addition to my RV as well, primarily because they are dimmable. Let's take a look at one of these in cool white mode in the dimmest setting. So there's 17 or 18 brightness settings. So dim, let's call that number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. It looks like 18 settings. Anyway, they're really nice. So a little bit more information. I've been playing with these for a few minutes, and the light turns on in the last setting that was on when you turn it off. So that was in warm white mode. If we turn it on, there it is again in warm white. So let's switch it to cool white. Let's turn it off. Turn it back on, and it's in cool white. So that's a nice feature, that it remembers the setting at which you were at last and goes back to that setting when you turn it on. I believe it should do that for the brightness as well. Yes, it does. So that's another nice feature. The first setting was kind of the middle color temperature. Then I switched it to warm white, and now it's on cool white. So let's go ahead and zoom in just a little bit, and I'll switch those color temperatures again. That's the middle color temperature. It's sort of a warmer but bright white. And there's warm white. And then we'll go back to cool white. A little tricky to pull the lens off when it's not mounted. So I will have an Amazon affiliate link down in the description below, and hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in purchasing lights, feel free to use that link.